Chapter 24: Conversion Optimization, turning more visitors into buyers. Getting traffic is only half the battle in online business. The real magic happens when you turn that traffic into paying customers. And that's where conversion optimization comes in. Conversion optimization is the process of improving your website, landing pages, and sales funnels so that a higher percentage of visitors take the action you want, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for your email list, or booking a call. Even small improvements in your conversion rate can have a huge impact on your revenue because you're getting more value from the same amount of traffic. Think of it this way. If 1 out of every 100 visitors buys from you and you double that to 2 out of 100, you've doubled your sales without spending a single extra dollar or marketing. This is why the most successful online businesses don't just focus on getting more traffic. They constantly refine the experience to make it as easy and compelling as possible for people to say yes. The first step in conversion optimization is clarity. When someone lands on your page, they should immediately understand 3 things: what you're offering, why it's valuable, and what they need to do next. If your page is cluttered, your message is vague, or your call to action is buried, you will lose people within seconds. Your headline should grab attention, your copy should clearly explain the benefits, and your CTA should be obvious and action-oriented, like get started, download now, or join today. Next is trust. People won't buy from you if they're unsure whether you're credible. You can build trust through testimonials, reviews, case studies, security badges, clear contact information, and guarantees. Social proof is one of the most powerful conversion boosters. When visitors see that others have bought from you and had a good experience, they're more likely to follow suit. Another big factor is reducing friction. Friction is anything that makes the buying process harder than it needs to be. This could be a complicated checkout form, slow page load times, or requiring people to create an account before they can buy. The smoother and faster the process, the higher your conversions will be. In fact, many businesses see an immediate lift in sales just by simplifying their checkout page and reducing the number of steps required. Urgency and scarcity can also increase conversions when used ethically. If people feel like they can take forever to decide, many will put it off and never come back. Limited time offers, countdown timers, and highlighting low stock can encourage people to act now rather than later. Just be careful not to fake urgency. If people realize it's not genuine, it can damage trust. One of the most effective ways to improve conversions is through A/B testing. This means creating 2 versions of a page, or an element like a headline or button, and splitting your traffic between them to see which performs better. Over time, these small, data-driven changes can add up to big improvements. The key is to only test one major change at a time so you know exactly what caused the difference. Your offer itself is a major conversion lever. Sometimes the problem isn't the page or the design, it's the offer. If what you're selling doesn't feel like a good deal to your audience, no amount of optimization will fix it. This is why understanding your customer and clearly communicating the value is so important. In many cases, improving your offer by adding bonuses, making the outcome clearer, or restructuring your pricing can have a bigger impact than any design tweak. Conversion optimization doesn't stop after the first purchase. Think about what happens immediately after someone buys. Can you offer them an upsell, a bundle, or a related product? Can you make it easy for them to share your offer with friends? Can you set up follow sequences to encourage repeat purchases? Maximizing the value of each customer is just as important as converting them in the first place. Ultimately, conversion optimization is about removing obstacles and adding motivators. You want to make it as easy, clear, and appealing as possible for someone to take the next step. The more you test, track, and refine, the more efficient your marketing becomes, which means you can grow faster, spend less on ads, and make more profit from the same amount of traffic.